Good evening. Okay, good evening, sir. Good evening, Sir Red. Good evening, Sir Mai. And Ma'am Mai. Good evening, Sir Brony. Good evening, Ma'am Eden. Good evening, Ma'am Hannah. Good evening from Team Megalodon. Good evening, Ma'am Riza. Good evening, Ma'am Glory. Good evening, Sir R. Castillon. Watching from Saudi. Team Rai Golden. Good evening, Sir Lincoln. Good evening, Sir Cyril. Good evening, Sir Ma'am Rodora. Good evening, Ma'am Marinol. Kumabasa na lahat. Bench from Team Ilocos. Good evening from Bacolod. Good evening. Mabuti pa sa all right, Sir Pogi. Shout out, bite me, Kuwait. Shout out kay Ma'am Sheng na taga Kuwait. Kay Sir Nelski. Good evening, Ma'am Richel, Ma'am Raha, Ma'am Jenny Dalayan, Ma'am Aryan. Shout out from Team Kuwait. Good evening, Ma'am Yeye. Good evening, Ma'am Rosalie. Good evening, Ma'am Michi Cachuela. Good evening. Good evening, Sir Brony. Good evening, Ma'am Ruela. Good evening, Ma'am Bing. Good evening, Ma'am Lisel, Camarines Sur. Ma'am King, good evening. So, okay. So, we are going to start now. So, please reserve your questions during our question and answer portion. You can get a pen and paper so you won't forget your questions. So, we are going to talk about now, tonight is, of course, the introduction, the CEO and the COO, the mission and vision, technicalities about the game, the mechanics, and the marketing plan. Okay. So to start it all off, or for a start, what is the first question that pops up to your mind is, what is Sharkstar? So Sharkstar is a top-to-earn task-based platform wherein you have to accomplish tasks in order for you to earn. And also, we do offer coin staking because we are funding the liquidity pool of our coin, which is FIMS. So, here in Sharkstar, you just have to accomplish your task or do coin staking. And for sure, babalik sa inyo yung top-up nyo together with the percentage yield depending on the tapping and staking tier that you avail. Pag po tayo mag-draw sa screen. So, okay. Alright. So now that you know that Sharkstar is a top-to-earn task-based platform, just for some clarifications, Sharkstar is not a gambling platform. Sharkstar is not an online casino. Sharkstar does not promote gambling. So hindi po sugal si Sharkstar, okay? So, kasi sa sugal, may pag-asang mawala or matalo yung pera nyo, pero dito kay Sharkstar, wala po. Okay? Dahil mag-staking ka lang, mag-task ka lang, siguradong babalik sa inyo. Yung top-up nyo together with the percentage yield. So now that you know the Sharkstar is a platform, anong difference nito sa ibang mga platforms na nasalihan nyo? Actually, marami, pero there are 4 major differences na gusto kong i-point out sa inyo. So Sharkstar is not an for the first one, Sharkstar is not an out-of-the-blue platform wherein parang sumulpot na parang kaputi lang. Hindi po. Dahil si Sharkstar, pinag-isipan, pinagplanuhan, pinag-aralan, pinagpuyatan, lahat po ginawa namin ni Nate para lang may launch itong platform na ito. So, pinaghirapan, we did feasibility study, market research, market analysis, and of course, competition analysis. So lahat yan, pinagdaanan natin, halos bumaan tayo sa butas ng karayom, na tulad ng sabi ko, para ma-launch lang itong platform. And nung na-launch naman, we are in the right pacing of the roadmap. So talagang masasabi namin ni Nate that we are up for long-term sustainability. Bakit? Because here in Sharkstar, we don't just plan, we implement. Nung sinabi ko kung magkakaroon tayo ng main Sharkstar Hub, it happened. Business district pa. Nung sinabi ko kung magkakaroon tayo ng sub-community hubs, it happened. Magkaroon tayo ng sub-community hub sa Davao, business district rin, San Pedro Street. So, nung sinabi natin na magkakaroon tayo ng fund sellers, nagkaroon. Meron pa nga tayong international fund sellers, in fact. So yun, no? Kagandahan doon, ang dami pa nating plano, lalong-lalo na sa PINS, pwede nyo gamitin as bills payment sa PINS, pwede nyo pambili ng assets, pwede yung Sharkstar hubs natin is maging exchange centers, and of course, yung ating coin, pag nagka-value na, kayo rin ang magkakabenefit. Okay, mamaya, may good news ako sa inyo regarding our PINS. So, for the second difference, that you have a very visible CEO and COO. Si Nate, as much as possible, gusto niya mag-attend sa ating Zoom meeting gabi-gabi. Then again, hindi. For some reason, hindi niya magawa. For some reasons, the first one is the time difference. Alam naman natin na iba yung oras natin dito sa Pilipinas at sa oras ni Nate sa Washington. So, now, may mga crypto events na siyang pinupuntahan para syempre updated tayo sa Web3 developments. Okay? So, ayun. You also have a very visible COO. Nag-zooming tayo araw-araw. Minimit ko po ng ating players, community members in person. And of course, we do offer contracts for top-ups 150,000 and above. We're in sa ibang platforms, 500,000 po yung minimum top-up na yan. Pero dito, nag-issue tayo ng contracts for the safety of the community members. Of course, that contract is legally binding and is notarizable para siyempre secure yung top-ups nyo. The third difference is here in Sharkstar, we have a legit source of income which I'm very transparent about. Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung aking Binance account, even though that serves as my bank account, pinapakita ko sa inyo. And of course, si Sharkstar, pinapakita yung live trading history video. Hindi lang picture, hindi lang screenshot, kundi video talaga. Para hindi talaga ma-edit. So talagang established talaga na meron tayong source of income dito kay Sharkstar. Now, for the last difference is that I can say Sharkstar is a really nice platform and a very healthy community. Paano ko po nasabi yun? Dahil si Sharkstar, nakakapag-offer ng better tapping tiers, nakakapag-offer ng better staking offers. Hindi po natin magagawa yan kung hindi maganda yung platform natin and hindi healthy yung community. And of course, hindi tayo makakapag-release ng rewards nyo on time. Minsan, mas maaga pa than the expected date dahil kumikita talaga si Sharkstar. So those are some of the differences, but nakikita ko yun kasi yung mga major difference natin sa ibang platform. So we're done with the introduction. Now for the CEO, flashed on your screen is our CEO, Nate Hoffman. So Nate was born in the year 2000, known as iGeneration Z or post-millennials. Our beloved developer and CEO of Sharkstar grew up as a middle child of Rudy and Frank Hoffman. Before Sharkstar was put into place, he harnessed and honed his skills while playing online poker, working with different platforms, and learning Forex and crypto trading respectively. Nate is a well-renowned Forex and crypto trader. Our CEO developed a game that would help anyone achieve their dreams through the easiest platform possible. Just magtatap lang tayo ng shot sa ating dashboards. Napakadali, kahit bata, kaya pong gawin. So Nate, our CEO, is a family-oriented person who deeply understands the meaning of consistency and believes that it is one of the main hurdles to gaining financial success. For your Chief Operating Officer, I am a driven entrepreneur with a strong academic background. I currently manage the family business, focusing on buying and selling of cars and real estate. So at my age of 28, I hold a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Management with a major in entrepreneurship from Philippine Women's College of Davao. So my educational background in political science and business management has provided me with, with valuable insights and skills that enable me to effectively navigate the business industry. So I have known Nate for a few years now, and we have collaborated on various ventures in the past. However, Sharkstar is our first major collaborator. So for our mission is to effectively implement a long-term play-to-earn platform with blockchain technology. And when we talk about long-term sustainability, na-discuss ko na rin naman sa inyo, yung long-term sustainability and long-term goals ni Sharkstar. So for our vision is to be the leading community in dealing with trading profits and expand on the global scale. When we talk about global scale, we have members all over the world, yung mga OFW po natin dyan. We have foreign members as well. And of course, meron tayong fund sellers sa Hawaii. So talaga we are really up on reaching that global scale na pinapangarap natin for Sharkstar. So ayun, konting sipag na lang, yes, maaabot na rin naman natin yan. So now, technicalities about the game. Yung task po natin dito, again, uulitin ko, is magtatap lang ng shark, okay? Napakadali lang, kahit bata kayong gawin. Questions will be entertained during the question and answer portion. So for tapping tier 1, the first way to earn rewards in Sharkstar is by doing its task daily through tapping. Our community enjoys Sharkstar's generous allocation of 2.85% daily bonus rewards or 20% weekly rewards as to speak. However, our partners have to be focused while tapping because it is a time-limited task of 1 minute and 30 seconds given daily. Once the 7 days task is complete, our toppers will request for the rewards in their account. For tapping tier 2, our community enjoys Sharkstar's generous allocation of 3.33% daily bonus rewards or 40% in 12 days rewards as to speak. However, our partners have to be focused while tapping because it is a time-limited task of 3 minutes given daily. Once the 12 days task is complete, our toppers will request for the rewards on their account. So, for tapping tier 3, our community enjoys Sharkstar's generous allocation of 2.96% daily bonus rewards or 80% in 27 days rewards as to skip. However, our partners have to be focused while tapping because it is a time-limited task of 1 minute and 30 seconds given daily. Once the 27 days task is complete, our tappers will request for the rewards on their account. So, ayun. For tapping tier 4, you have to maintain an active tapping tier para pumasok po sa inyo yung referral rewards ninyo. Okay? So, our community, for tapping tier 4, our community enjoys Sharkstar's generous allocation of 4% daily bonus rewards or 120% in 30 days rewards as to speak. However, our partners have to be focused while tapping because it is a time-limited task of 3 minutes given daily. Once the 30 days task is complete, our tappers will request for the rewards on their account. So, for tapping tier 5, the minimum top-up is 1,000 pesos. The task is 200 taps with a yield of 5.33% daily. And the tapping period is 15 days. Alright? So we also offer coin staking. Okay? So now, we also do offer coin staking because we are funding the liquidity pool of our coin, which is CFINS. So for staking 9 version 1 and version 2, the staking plan we're referring to promises a 300% and 350% profit over a 12-day period with a daily 25% and 29.16% bonus income. This structure means that each day the player earns 25% and 29.16% of the principal amount as a bonus, which accumulates and compounds over the 12-day span. So itong si staking 9, actually dapat last na po talaga natin yung ating staking 8. But then again, hiniling ng ating community members na mag-extend ng konti, but we will be very strict in implementing yung limited accounts natin. And of course, possible hanggang batch 3 or maximum batch 5 na lang po to si staking 9 version 1 and version 2. As for staking 8 version 3, congratulations dahil nag-release na po tayo ng rewards with them. No withdrawal request, no withdrawal process. On the day of the maturity, pwede nyo na pong i-request agad yung rewards. Okay? So if I were you guys, take the opportunity and secure your staking accounts nyo. Para wala nang mag-chat sa akin, wala nang tatawag sa akin na Sir Chris, baka pwede pong i-open naman natin ulit yung stake room. Okay? So yan, for staking tier 9 version 1, the minimum top-up is 5,000 pesos. For staking tier 9 version 2, the minimum top-up is 10,000 pesos. Yung breakdown po nito is talagang kayang-kaya. Marami din kasi nagtatanong sa akin kung kaya bang i-perform yung 300 to 350% in 12 days. But then again, same settings lang po to sa ating version 3, staking it version 3, na kaya i-perform yung 100% in 3 days. So dito, in 12 days, yung 300%, 9 days lang yan eh. So sa 12 days, isipin nyo na lang, kayang-kaya po talaga ito. Okay? So one of our sources of income is trading. This slide shows how Sharkstar profits through systematically tested and conservative trading, as well as maintaining its capital through ads and promotion marketing. Below is the sample legit trades of Sharkstar. So, ito po yung ating trades. Updated to March 19. Mamaya, papakita ko naman po yung sa Binance natin. So, saan po natin dinadala yung 100% ng ating trading wins? So, on a daily basis, Sharkstar allocates at least 20% of its income for its toppers and pickers and to those that promote Sharkstar. 10% are given to its fund pool, 20% for system maintenance, and the remaining is being given back to Sharkstar for added capital. This graph shows the said allocated system maintenance. Yan po yung firewall upgrade natin, anti-hacking natin, community allocation, yan po yung bumabalik sa inyo, staking rewards, direct referral rewards, etc. Fund pool, ito nga po yung liquidity pool ng ating coin, which is CFINS. And for itong malaking portion na to, Sharkstar Capital, also known as buffer funds. Dahil dito po natin kinukuha yung ating pang-counter trade pag meron po tayong losing trend. Okay? So ito po yung ating coin. Si Fins mamaya may tokenology naman, so doon na lang natin pag-usapan. Alright? So marketing plan, here in Sharkstar, we have 5 ways to earn. So na-explain na natin kanina si topping rewards and si staking rewards. So one of the most in-demand play-to-earn platform right now not only promises its community a chance to earn, but also gives an opportunity to change their life 360 degrees through its compensation rewards. There are 5 ways on how to earn in Sharkstar. So direct referral rewards. One of the main highlights of Sharkstar Compensation Rewards is through its direct referral income. Our partners and community have the right to earn 10% allocation for every purchase account. Given below is the designated contribution. So, ibig sabihin, bawat top up po ng inyong direct referral, meron po kayong 10%. Ito, sample computation on the 10,000 package. 5 referrals, you get 5,000. For 10 referrals, you get 10,000. For 20 referrals, you get 20,000 and so on and so on. Just do the math. Okay? Leverage rewards, our toppers and clickers enjoy earning, even if the said referrals don't come from them. It means every referral of your first level up to the 12th level, you will earn 1% of every purchase account. For every 13th level to 100th level, you will earn 0.1% of every purchase account. So one of the sought-after techniques used by millionaires and billionaires alike, leverage comes into play through multiplying your time through others versus operational expense and manpower. Simply meaning every topper has the capacity to earn a percentage income based on commission sales package up to infinity level. Up to 100 level, sorry. So this is the sample illustration. Ito muna sa taas. First level mo, meron ng direct referral na 10%. And down to the 12th level, you will be getting 1% in direct referral. And for 13th level to 100th level, you will earn 0.1% of every purchased account. So for the incentive rewards, we have Honor X6B, we have Vivo Y28, we have PCL Android TV, we have Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, iPad Lite Gen, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So how to create your account? Users may share their QR code or their link in order to earn extra from the referrals. This information will be found in the network tab. When you show your QR code to your friends who wants to register, then scan the QR code. You fill out the registration form, double check your details, then click the register button and start your earnings with us. How to top up? You access your dashboard, click deposit, select your appropriate mode of payment, input deposit amount, or you take the preferred deposit amount, then send your payment to the preferred mode of payment, and upload screenshot using choose file button in the submit payment tab. How to withdraw? You access your dashboard, you click withdraw, you click credit, you input desired amount, partial or complete withdrawal is allowed. You input the user's banking information, then you click submit. How to play? You click the accounts tab, you click your task, click tap to earn to start your earnings with us, then enjoy your tapping. So for our roadmap, we are already here sa phase 4 natin, token generation event or the NFTs. Magsa-start na po yung airdrop natin. So for the phase 3, actually, nag-offer pa rin tayo ng coin staking dahil hiniling din ng ating community member. So this is our Davao Sharkstar Hub. This is our main Sharkstar Hub. This is our Cebu Sharkstar meeting, which is my fan seller na rin po tayo sa Cebu. As part of my transparency commitment sa inyo, even if my Binance account serves as my bank account na rin, pinapakita ko pa rin sa inyo. Because I treat you guys like business partners, not just family members, na kumbaga pinapakita ko sa inyo yung ins and outs ng cash natin dito kay Sharkstar. And some of it, my personal money, some of it sa community. Balance natin, actually hindi na to updated, pero itong 22 Bitcoin na ito is nasa mga 114 million in peso. Okay? These are our updated trades. Kita nyo naman, green days. Mamaya may video po tayo na ipapakita. Updated trading history. Okay? So now, gusto niyo ba malaman kung paano natin ito-perform yung 200 to 300% natin? So, our hybrid bot trading settings, of course, nag-analyze tayo ng market, nagte-test trade kami ni Nate, and we are doing fund management. Inihimay-himay po namin yung capital, not just in one trade. Okay? And of course, yung bot natin walang emotion. And of course, may stop loss tayo and the take profit price or the TP price. Starting fund, 26,000 US dollar. Sample positions to, AI bot setting is hybrid. Trading positions, 10 to 14, time frame, 7 days, with a profit goal of 200%. So profit goal, 80% and above, stop loss 20%, capital 2,166. So bilangin na lang natin yung mga winning trades natin dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So lagay natin minimum na profit goal natin 80%. 80 times 9. Magkano po? 80 times 9. How much is 80 times 9? 720%. So talagang kayang-kaya i-perform. So baka naman masasabi nyo na gawa-gawa lang natin to. Hindi po. Meron po talaga tayong trading results dito. Ayan. To back that up, may papakita ko po sa inyo yung ating updated trading history. So, panoorin nyo na lang po. Sharkstar Fam, so as part of our transparency commitment sa ating community members, ito nga ginagawa natin since day 1 up until now, pinapakita natin sa inyo yung ating live trading history. Hindi lahat ng platforms ginagawa to, and tayo, hindi rin naman tayo required na gawin to. Pero syempre, for everyone's peace of mind, para makita nyo yung ins and outs ng cash, since I treat you guys as my business partners, not just family member, so you deserve to see this. So, tara, tingnan po natin. So, this is our trading setup. Of course, ito yung graph natin na dino-double check natin if tama ba talaga yung reading ng ating bot. Most of the time, tama naman. I mean, always tama. But syempre, iba pa rin yung dino-double check natin. Dito po lumalabas yung prices. Dito ako nag-check. And for our fins, partner po tayo with Phantom Wallet. So, gumawa na po kayo ng Phantom Wallets, yung mga hindi pa nakakagawa. Dahil dyan po papasok yung airdrop natin. So, as for our updated trading history, nag-end po tayo nung huling video nung March 11. So, magsa-start po tayo ng March 12. So, for our first trade nung March 12, that's a winning trade of 32,000 US dollar. The next one is nung March 12, 2025. That's 26,000 US dollar. Third one, March 12 pa rin po to. That's 19,000 US dollar. Ito, of course, may mga losing trades talaga. Hindi naman sa para magmagaling na hindi tayo natatalo. March 12 pa rin po to. Ayan po, negative 6,394 US dollar. So, ito, Binance account po talaga natin to. Ayan, yung cursor gumagalaw, position history, trading history. So, pinapakita po natin to sa inyo para makita nyo na tinitrade po talaga yung mga pera nyo. And itong mga wins po na to, antayin namin ni Nate pumasok sa aming banks. Then of course, ita-transfer natin sa mode of payments natin. Then papunta na po ito sa inyo for releasing. So, dito po yung mga staking profits nyo.
Ito, March 12 in open. Nag-close ng March 13. Plus 25,492 US dollar. Plus 16,000 US dollar. Plus 19,000 US dollar. Plus 18,000 US dollar. Plus 21,000 US dollar. Plus 19,000. Plus 17,000. Ito, losing trade ulit. Pero kung titingnan nyo, ang layo ng difference natin sa ating winning trades. So, mas malaki talaga ang ating wins than our losses. Ayan, March 15 po ito. Ayan, plus 25,000, plus 31,000. Again, another losing trade, negative 7,181 US dollar. Dollar po ito hindi po ito peso. So, ayan. Losing trade, losing trade. So, for our latest is noong March 15. Winning trade po yan, 19,000. Itong mga ganito naman po is talagang gusto natin gawin on a day-to-day basis. Pero minsan sobrang busy na. So again, for our updated trading history, ito po yun. So, ayun guys, that's it for our updated trading history. So, ayun na nga, that's it for our updated trading history. Pag hindi naman tayo busy, is ina-update talaga natin yan. Gustuhin ko man gawin every other day, kaso hindi nga kakayanin dahil ang dami kong meetings, may Zoom meetings pa tayong inaasikaso, and then yung mga messages pa, sa messages pa lang, sabog na po yung messenger ko. So, pag hindi po tayo busy, is ina-update po talaga natin yan. And as per our staking 8, version 1 and version 2, sa mga nagtatanong, since ang daming nagme-message, ang daming tumatawag, kung hanggang kailan ba talaga, actually po, pwede siyang matapos anytime, kahit bukas. Pero hindi ko po sinasabing magsasara na bukas, but then again, if I were you, secure your positions while it's still available, kasi hindi ko po masasabi kung kailan talaga siya magsasara. But then again, hindi nga po siya magtatagal na. So as for our staking 8 version 3, gustuin ko rin man na i-open sa lahat ng community members natin, but may mga pino-perfect pa tayong settings dyan. Once nakuha na namin na yung perfect settings for that, huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil sisiguraduhin ko po lahat po ng community members na gustong makaranas ng 100% in 3 days is makakakuha po kayo ng available positions para dyan. So, ayun lang, and happy earning Sharkstar family. Ano naman, agawa na kayo ng Phantom Wallets nyo dahil nagsistart na po tayo ng airdrop. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-receive ng fins, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil ongoing pa rin po ang ating releasing. And possible magbato pa kami ng mas maraming fins, okay? Stop drawing sa screen po. Okay? So for our tokenology, the player reward is 60%. Ito po yung makukuha ng community members. Etong 20% po na to is for our season 2 dahil maglo-launch pa po tayo ng 20 games. The 10% is the others for our local influencers. And the 10% for the Team Global Partnership is 10%. Actually, si Nate, may mga nakakausap na nito na international crypto influencers. So mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo yung good news regarding sa fins. So, ito just a quick guide on how to create your Phantom wallet. Panoorin nyo po muna.
Hey there, Sharkstar fam today. I'm going to show you how to create your very own Phantom wallet. First is head over to the App Store and download Phantom. When you're all set, open the app and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Create Wallet. Choose Create a seed phrase wallet and you'll receive a secret recovery phrase. This is important, so keep it safe. Remember, don't share with anyone. After you save it, click Continue and there you go, you're ready to run with your new Phantom wallet. Once you're in, look for Solana icon and click it. Scroll down and click the Receive button. Once you're here, click the Copy button to get your Solana address. After you copy your Solana address, go to your Sharkstar account. Click the Settings and click your profile. Choose Solana wallet address. Paste here your Solana address you copied on your Phantom wallet. Click Submit wallet address. And that's it. You successfully uploaded your Solana wallet address onto your Sharkstar account. Thank you, Sharkstar fam.
So that is the quick guide on how to make your Phantom wallets. On how to bind it with our Sharkstar account. So, future users ng ating pins, may mga merchants na tayong kausap na posibleng makakolab natin na tanggapin yung ating pins coin for bills payment, ng electric bill, water bill, etc. And also, our Sharkstar hubs, paglabas ng ating pass permit, our Sharkstar hub allows users to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Fins coins, and many others. And you can also buy assets using your Fins. May mga kausap na ako mga car dealer na mga partners ko dati. And yung may grocery stores din na tatanggapin yung ating Fins. Once nagka-value na, pag may value na, pwede na natanggapin yung ating Fins. So we can buy assets using our Fins. So ayan, may mga kausap na nga si Nate, no, na international crypto influencers. Gusto nyo ba ng quick hint kung magkano yung posible lang hindi ko po sinasabing ito po talaga. Okay, posibleng magiging value ng ating Fins coin. Anong inspect? Sino kaya po na username? Okay. So, ang posibleng magiging value natin, posible lang hindi ko naman po sinasabi, ngayon hindi, sobrang laki ng $10. Okay? So, ang magiging value nito, doon po tayo sa realidad. Possible starting value, $0.5. $0.5. Okay? Posible lang. Dahil meron po tayong mga international crypto influencers na talagang makakapagpapump ng ating coin. Wow, manifesting, Sir Pogi. Huwag naman ganun. Ikiligin tayo pag ganun. Okay, so now, may share lang ako or actually open forum lang. I really apologize sa approval ng ating mga top-ups. It's because marami kasing nagsasend ng fake receipts. Okay? Maraming nagsasend ng fake receipts. So, kailangan i-verify yan. Although, 20 na po yung verifiers natin, kahit pagawin ko pa kung 40 yan, kung parami, yung mga nagsisend ng fake receipts, hindi po kasi naman verify. Minsan, nauuna pa nagsisend yung fake receipts. So, I suggest, huwag na po kayong mag-send sa GCs nyo. Or kung magsisend po kayo sa GC nyo, is lagyan nyo ng watermark. Okay, I really apologize for that, but I promise you, we will serve you better. Okay? O yun lang, iwasan na lang din natin yung pagsisend ng resibo na walang watermark, okay? And of course, Staking 9 version 1 and version 2. Staking 9 version 1 and version 2, hanggang ano lang po yan? Batch 5 or batch 3, okay? Unlimited accounts po yan. Talagang pinagbigyan lang po natin yung hiling ng ating community members. Okay? Staking 8 version 3, maraming congratulations dahil nag-release na tayo ng rewards for the batch 2 and posibleng magbukas pa tayo ng isa pang batch. Okay? Posibleng magbukas pa tayo ng isa pang batch. And of course, mamaya na po questions dahil nag-share pa po ako. Okay? So yun, saan na nga ba tayo? And for the incentives, nakapila na po yung mga papadala ng incentives, lalo na yung mga iPad and phones natin. Yung supplier ko lang po kasi, although bulk order na yun, medyo matagal po. So ayun, yung sa approval, I do apologize. And of course, itong staking natin, you have to really consider securing your positions. Okay? Dahil holding account na po natin po. Okay? And of course, wag po tayong basta-basta magtitiwala dahil marami pong posters na kumakalat. Meron sa Telegram, meron sa Facebook. Kahit yung partner ko po is may poster na. Si Bea may poster na. So, ayun, mag-ingat po tayo sa mga nakakatanggap natin. So, ayun, yun lang for my sharing. And now, may mga gusto bang mag-share regarding Sharkstar bago tayo mag-proceed sa question and answer portion? Anong inspect, sir? I trust you, Sir Chris. Anong inspect po? Wait lang, sino siya? I trust you, Sir Chris. Anong inspect po? Ang daming basher eh. Hindi ko na lang siguro babanahin yung mga basher. Anong inspect? Hindi ko po maintindihan. Hindi po na-inspect element ang Binance. May mga trader dito. Alam nila yan. Hindi po na-inspect element ang Binance. Okay? So, yun. Walang, senseless question. So, sharing po muna tayo. Sharing po muna tayo before we proceed sa question and answer portion. Sinong gusto mag-share? Huwag po kayo mag-spam comments then please. Sino mga pwede mag-share dyan? O ano mga naging epekto ni Sharkstar? Actually, yes, Binance is blocked in the Philippines but we are using VPN network. Okay? So, ayun. Si version 3 pala, yung mga nakapag-avail na is give chance to others, okay? Eileen Quizon, minsan po ba kita? Hi po sa lahat, first time ko po maka-attend sa Zoom Meet. Ang galing, God bless po sa ating lahat. Okay, so sharing po muna tayo. Sino pwede mag-share dyan? Sino pwede mag-share dyan? Possible early releasing, yes. Once pumasok naman na yan sa ating, sa ating account, yes, mag-a-announce na lang po tayo. Sino pwede mag-share? Sir Lincoln, nakapila na po yung names nyo dahil may mga waiting pa rin po. Para sa ating iPad incentives. Ano po, sumasagot na ako ng questions eh. Kung walang mag-share, sige. Ay, hindi ko mabasa. Ang haba. May hacker po sa GC ng Sharkstar P2 at na-hack niya ang account ko kanina pong umaga. Message niyo po ako and message niyo po ako sa Facebook and message niyo rin po yung leaders niyo. Wala nang buyback bukas, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday lang po yan. Hindi po, tapos na po withdrawal natin. Request na po tayo ngayon. Yung mga hindi naka-receive ng withdrawals nila is posibleng limit ang GCash, ang banks. So message your leaders and message Sharkstar Solution. Okay? Ang dami nang nag-try mag-hack. Sa totoo lang. Pero hindi nila kaya. Yes, save ang information natin. Early releasing, mag-a-announce lang tayo kung kakayanin. Kung hindi, Tuesday naman po talaga yung schedule. ng ating releasing of rewards. Okay? Papalit sa staking, possible, magre-release tayo ng another Web3 games. Kaya focus muna tayo sa tapping. Okay? Hindi na eh. Ayaw na nga talaga din eh. Hanggang batch 5 na lang po sa staking line. That's final. Yes. Papagawa tayo niyan, papapost tayo sa community page ng Binance Deposited Tutorial. Hindi sure na magiging $0.50. Yun lang yung inaay namin din eh. May mga nag-aaway dito. At naman kayo may nag-aaway dito. Okay, mag-aaway dito. Kaya ano yan? Hello po, Sir Pogi. Ask regarding my rewards for staking it bit 3 batch 2. Already request the withdrawal even from my husband account. We are using the same my account. But until now, di pa po na-receive. Ongoing pa po ang releasing natin, okay? For the staking it version 3. Okay, mag-away dito sa chat box. Hindi ko na po nababasa yung mga questions. I-split po natin yan, 200,000, 200,000 po. Okay? Okay, o na, sige na, IT and programmer na kayo, pero huwag kayong mag-away dito. I-reject yung deposit mo, message Sharkstar Solutions po. Early releasing, hindi ko po may papangako, but then again, pag nasa akin na po yung funds, tulad ng ginagawa natin, mag-a-announce na lang po tayo. Paabutin hanggang end of the month ang staking, malabo na po talaga. Dahil kung sinit pa nga lang ang masusunod, batch, staking 8 pa lang, cut off ng staking. Iniling lang natin itong staking 9 version 1 and version 2, okay? Per transaction, max 200,000 per transaction para hindi kayo maamla. Pero anything less than 500,000 pwede naman. Balik naman yung tanong niyo sa early releasing of reward. Sabi ko po, pag nasa akin na po yung funds, is mag-a-announce lang po ako. But then again, kung hindi po, Tuesday. Dahan-dahan po sa pag-type, pag ilang batch na staking 9, second batch. Second batch tayo ngayon, so plus 3 days na lang for staking 9. Kung ba, abutin namin ni ng staking batch 5 ha, pero kung hindi, tomorrow. Okay? Teka, hindi ko po mabasa. Sir, question sa April 15 po, mag-pay out niyo po ba lahat? Kasi puro milyon, halos na po lahat ng mag-withdraw po. Palagi na po milyon, pinipay out natin sa totoo lang. Matagal na po tayo nagbabayad ng malaki, Sir Renz. Hindi na po bago yan. And hanggang batch 5 lang naman yan eh. Yung iba nga, 3 batches lang. So kaya-kaya natin bayaran yan. With our trades, okay, hindi ko na po mabasa talaga yung questions nyo. Then again, maraming salamat sa pag-attend. Kung may questions po kayo, message nyo po ako. Okay? Thank you so much and good night, Sharkstar family. See you tomorrow sa ating Zoom meeting. Hanggang ngayon, nag-aaway pa rin sila. Good night, everyone.